Welcome back. Today I have on the bench a Peugeot instrument cluster from a scooter, and the problem with this, the client has said, is the RPM meter doesn't work, or the tachometer, or whatever they might call it. So yeah, I'm gonna try and help him because he believes it is the stepper motor that's gone wrong inside of it, so we can try and replace that, and hopefully that should sort the problem. Also he provided me with some information about the stepper motor. Not sure if I'll need that, but I think it's just an open and solder job. There's nothing exciting, but yeah, I gloved up because I don't want to get fingerprints all over everything, so let's give it a go. I have never opened one of these, so I don't know exactly what is holding it in place. So I imagine we have to take these off. No. Yes. Ah, they are. That needle has to come off, but that is ridiculously tight on there. Ah! Ouch.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
So I just found a video where someone was using spoons to get the needle off of an instrument cluster. So I'm going to give that a go. I'm going to put these so it doesn't get marked. Let's see if that works. God. Ah, no, that's going to damage something. So the problem is we've got something to lever against here, but absolutely nothing around this side. So I don't know. It'd be nice if there was another piece on here. I don't think one spoon is going to do anything but bend the shaft. So back to the drawing board. Okay, one more try. Yay! Appears that we have no damage. And we have 1, 2, 3, and there's no screw here for some reason. Okay. We've got some clips holding this in place. Right, so we have some clips here. Yes. Great. So these have 4 pins. So we're going to have to desolder them from here. That is the right one, yeah, that's the one. Let me just mark that so I don't get confused. Get that in a board holder and desolder that. Cool. I am interested to know what the resistance reading of these motors is, and if we can tell if that motor's bad or not. Auto. So let's have a look at a new one. Check across there. 0.2k, so that's 274 ohms. 277 ohms, right, so that's what the new one is. And this one, $276, $275, and this, I can't really see that, can you? Uh, 11.6 mega ohms, no, that's not right. Yeah, 276, so that's coil is good, but this coil is gone, looks like. Right, got the board in holder. Let's switch to the microscope. Okay, here we go. Let's put a bit of flux on here. Let's get some leaded solder on there. Right, let's try wicking it. I think I'm going to have to put my fume extractor on. Lovely. Alright, we still have one hole that's not completely unblocked. I don't want to force it. I don't want to force it in there. Some fresh solder. Right, that's back in there. Now we just put it back in the holder and solder it back on. There we go. First, I'll give it a bit of a clean. Okay. Lovely. Right, let's put him back together. Right. Let's get some screws back in here. Well, another job done. Got another spare motor here, and I've marked the one that has the problem. You can have those back. Well, thank you for joining me once again, and until the next time. See you later.